So you're still hanging on to that outdated, basic Word document you call a resume? Well, how about turning it into a sleek, professional 90 plus ATS scoring resume that HR actually wants to see, all in under 2 minutes? Sounds good, right? And here's the kicker. After uploading your old resume, yes, even that one, you can choose from a variety of templates. Professional, freshers, infographic, you name it. Finally, a resume that doesn't look like it came out of the early 2000s. Wait, there's more. Once you've picked the template, after much deliberation I'm sure, you can tweak the colors, rearrange the sections to fit your style, and compress it all into one sleek page. Efficiency and style. What a concept. Here's how you do it. From the dashboard of resumeocean.com, hit the Create Resume option. Upload your old resume, Word or PDF, whatever works. Wait 2 minutes, that's it. Pick your favorite template. I'm going with the professional one. And there you have it. A polished, professional resume with a 90 plus ATS score in under 2 minutes. Sleek, simple, and ready to impress. You're welcome.